Welcome to my channel, Cooking with Storm and Norm. Today, I'm preparing one of my favorite dishes, fried cabbage. It's very easy, it doesn't take very long to prepare, but man is it good. And it has some health benefits because of one of the special ingredients that I use for it that is also useful for reducing inflammation in the body. My philosophy is, for a foodie like myself who loves to cook and eat, food is medicine. And besides tasting good, you should achieve some health benefits from everything that you eat. With that being said, let's get started. And now we're going to start adding our seasoning. We're going to combine them all together. Instead of putting them in one at a time, it's a lot easier. And let that start cooking down. All done. That's a fork full of delicious fried